sawai pa udkhot ki ro bat hoan kajala na kamikri usalang isama hani kasini konglar saino kubu MLA ka NCP haswaban pinyaso no shokoi pa parti utay MLA hadem ro resaiñ no thuru bo thum plit pinyaso no sha congress pa pangkhe ba khon nak te party hakanik election ka basolongtion.
Everybody has left Congress, and yet I'm, instead going back. It seems like maybe somebody might be thinking I'm a fool or maybe an idiot, but it will definitely give a little bigger platform than the, NCP. That's why I'm choosing, because my whole objective is for the people only. I want to do something for the people. That's why I need that bigger platform. So at least with Congress, there will be we actually, not I anymore. You got my point? Right now with NCP, I'm totally alone. Only I. So with I cannot do, especially in a democracy. So we need a team. That's why at least I'll have a team in Congress. So that way we can say that we can do something for the people of Meghalaya. I think you all were aware actually. When I joined NCP, they were not even a single, not a clueless. At least with the Congress, there is at least something on the ground. So, I'm a scrap dealer, to be frank enough. So from the scrap, we still can, do something. Okay, we can make a changes. And then moreover, there's still a vote bank. The people love Congress. That's why I've chosen this particular party, so that we might be able to make a changes in the future.